Hello students, this video is exclusively for you. So due to lockdown, you will have a lot of time. So please look at this video, and if you find it useful, like and subscribe to the channel. If you are in pre-final year or final year, and if you can afford, I would advise you to plan for your higher studies. Please prepare and do your post-graduation. Take up internships, even if it is unpaid. You can gain valuable work experience. You can network with professionals in that field. Use this time to prepare for your interviews. You know the interview format and the typical interview questions. Take up aptitude tests, practice group discussions, do mock interviews amongst yourself. Use this time to prepare your CV. I can help you in this, so let me try to put more videos giving more tips. Stay tuned. Focus on improving your technical skills in whichever field you would like to pursue your career. Companies would generally look at candidates who are strong in their basics for an entry-level job. For example, if you're looking at an entry-level job in IT, say for a developer role, you need to be strong in at least one programming language. You should know all the fundamentals like software engineering, SDLC concepts, OS concepts, data structures, and algorithms. There are a lot of courses available online. Check and choose what you want to do. Apart from technical skills, you should also invest your time in improving your behavioral skills. I would suggest you to pick up 2 or 3 skills and start working on it. Look at communication skills, presentation skills, and interpersonal skills. I can help here. I will try to do more videos on this topic. Will give you more tips and tricks from an interview point of view. So please continue to practice your hobbies, whatever it may be. Games, painting, music, writing, dancing. Some of you may have outdoor activities like trekking, cycling, biking, hiking, all of that, but we may not be able to do any of the outdoor activities now. But indulge in physical fitness and exercises and prepare your body and mind so that it will work more effectively after the lockdown.